Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to share your Android phone's VPN connection with your PC using your mobile hotspot. To get started, we'll need to install a VPN tethering app. Open the Play Store on your Android device and search for an app called Every Proxy. Download and install it. Now open any of your VPN app, select the location you want. After selecting the location, connect to the VPN. Once the VPN is connected, open the Every Proxy app you just downloaded. Inside the app, you'll see an option labelled HTTP with a radio button next to it. Click on that button to turn it on. When you enable it, the app will generate a proxy host and port. This information is crucial because you'll use it on the device you're sharing your mobile hotspot with. Now, let's move over to your PC. On your PC, click on the search bar and type Proxy Settings. Open the Proxy Settings menu. Here, you'll see different options. What we're focused on is the Manual Proxy Setup. Under Manual Proxy Setup, click on Setup. Turn on the option that says Use a Proxy Server. For the proxy IP address, input one of the host addresses provided by Every Proxy. You can choose any of the available options. For the port, type in 8080. Be sure to enter the information correctly to avoid any errors. Once you've entered the details, click Save. The next step is to connect your PC to your phone's mobile hotspot. You can either enable the hotspot on your phone before setting up the proxy or after. It doesn't matter which order you follow. To enable the hotspot, go to your phone settings, find the hotspot menu and turn it on. Then, connect your PC to the mobile hotspot like you would connect to any Wi-Fi network. Once the connection is established, check the Every Proxy app on your phone. It should now show that the connection is active, and that's it. You've successfully shared your phone's VPN connection with your PC using a mobile hotspot, and if you're looking for a reliable VPN service, I recommend NordVPN. It's fast, secure, and comes with a money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Check the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price.